Welcome back! Today we read comparing two of the most powerful AI image generators in 2025, MidJourney and DALL. Which one makes more realistic and beautiful images? Let's find out. MidJourney is known for its artistic, highly detailed, and stylized images. It's loved by designers and digital artists. DALL, on the other hand, focuses more on realism and integrates directly with ChatGPT, making it very accessible. It's great for lifelike, photorealistic results. iLines give both tools the same prompts and show you the results. Prompt 1, a futuristic city at sunset. Prompt 2, a realistic portrait of an astronaut. Prompt 3, a fantasy dragon flying over mountains. Here's what MidJourney created, and here's DALL-E's version. Notice how MidJourney emphasizes artistic style, while DALL aims for realism. So, which one is better? If you want creative, artistic images, MidJourney still wins. But if you need photorealism and simple accessibility, DALL is the stronger choice. Which AI do you prefer, MidJourney or DALL? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI comparisons.